All right, recording is rolling. Welcome to Wednesday, May 24th. All right, so we're starting off today in sixth period. You guys are just gonna have two classes today. You guys know we're on a short schedule. Actually, today, tomorrow, and Friday are all gonna have the short schedule. You get out at 2:15. So pretty much this, just 6-5 today, then 4 and 3 tomorrow, and then 5, 6, 2, and 1 on Friday. Speaking of first period on Friday, remember to bring your laptop and your charger. You're gonna check those in then. Right, and then yeah, right, so some stuff about the exam. Right, so all right, this particular exam, I'm about to get you guys this grid. Right, you guys see a space for your name. You write your name here, right, and then see right next to it says key. Right, so here's where I have printed packets with the exam questions. Now you guys know that during the review we went over every single question, right? So you guys know that. The only difference between what went over the review and what you guys are about to get is that maybe some of the numbers are changed. So it might say like 10 volts instead of 5 volts, something like that, right? And also the answer choices are scrambled in a different order. So if the answer was C on mine, it might be like D on yours, so something like that. Okay. Right. But right at the top here, let me zoom in for you guys to see this. See where it says key and this one says B, right? So they're just a bunch of different versions. Again, they're all the same questions except for those differences that I just mentioned. Okay. So write whatever key you get here, just so I know which one to grade. Now, guys, these packets I'm trying to use for all my classes, just recycle these, right? Because that's not a paper. So, guys, are you guys going to write on the packets? No, good call, good call. The answer was no. Right, you're not going to write on this. Are you going to write on your grid page? Yes, yeah. You only write on this, right? So you write your name and the key. Right, you guys got that? Right. Now, when you finish this, just throw this all in the grade tray, and I will probably have these graded before you walk out today, just based on how it's been going so far. As long as I can just sit here and grade, then the grades will probably be uploaded to Focus by lunchtime. Okay. Any questions so far? Right. So one of the questions I've been getting is, well, how do you calculate what your overall score in the class is going to be? Now remember, this is only for semester 2, so anything December and before that doesn't affect anything at all. Right, so it only starts in January. Right, all the content, all the grades, all that. Okay, so no, this is true. This should be true for all your classes. So if you take 40% of your quarter 3 grade, which is 2/5, 2/5 is 40%, right? And 40% of your quarter 4 grade, and 20% of the exam grade that you're about to get here in the next few hours. Okay, add that all together, and you get your overall semester 2 grade. Okay. So that's how it's calculated. But what students are usually more interested in is, well, if I have some target grade, which is probably like 90% for an A, 80% for a B, and so on. Okay. What do I have to score on the exam? Okay. So that you can solve with algebra. So I did a couple of algebra steps here, and it works out like this. What you need to score on the exam is equal to 5 times what you want, minus 2 times quarter 3, minus 2 times quarter 4. Okay. So for example, if let's say your quarter 3 grade was like a 78, and your quarter 4 grade was an 80. You think, ooh, 78, 80. Okay, it's really close to a B. I wonder what I have to do to get a B. So for the overall grade that you want, you put in 80, right? Actually, you can do like 79.5 because it'll round up, but let's just call it 80, right? And you just plug stuff in. Here, actually, I got a calculator right here. I'll show you exactly what it would be for that scenario. 5 times 80 minus 2 times 78 minus 2 times 80, right? Okay. And you'd have to score an 84 on the exam. Okay, I guess that works. All right, and again, that should be true for all your classes. All right, any questions so far? All right. I guess the last thing I want to say is it has been a lot of fun teaching this class, showing you guys a bunch of stuff, how the universe works. We've done a bunch of labs with you guys. You guys have worked really great and in your team. So I hope you've gotten a lot out of this class. Either just like the core content, or maybe just thought processes. And who knows, like there's like 20, 30 different students in here, so every one of you is going to have a unique life story and different ways you're going to go and different possible applications of this. And you never know when anything's going to come up in any of your classes and be useful to you in the future. But I hope you guys all find what you enjoy doing in life, and go pursue that, and have a good summer and have a good life.